Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Appst Academy. In this video, I'm going to show you how to boost your channel on Telegram. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your Telegram application and then log into your account. If you haven't done so already, using your credentials. After logging into your account, you will be taken into your homepage from which you can access all of your chats. Now, if you have a channel that you want to promote and boost, then simply open up your channel first of all. Once you open this channel, tap on the channel name at the top section and you will find channel settings. Just tap on this option and now you can scroll down until you find statistics and boosts. Tap on this option and you will find the boost menu. Go ahead and tap on boost, and when you tap on the boost button, you will be told that you will need to subscribe to Telegram Premium. Tap on the yes button to proceed with your subscription and then choose your desired option for payment. Once you choose your desired option, go ahead and tap on the subscribe button and you can proceed with your payment method saved onto your Google Play account to proceed with your payment. If you don't already have one, you can tap on the add option to add your credit or debit card. After adding your payment option and subscribing to Telegram Premium, your boost will be successful. And there you have it. That is how you can go about in order to boost your channel on Telegram. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.